In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the edit history in Google Sheets. So you want to see the edit history of your spreadsheet. Here's how to do it. First, you'll see this icon right here. This is your edit history icon. Click on that. And you'll see here the version history and all the edit history that has happened in this spreadsheet. You'll have the date and the person who has made it, and some of these versions are also named. So if you click on all versions, everything will appear, but if you click on the named versions, you'll only see the named versions right here. Again, to the all versions, and there you go. Let's go back. Let's say you want to see the edit history of just one specific cell. You can go ahead and do that by selecting the cell, right-click on it, and you'll see near the bottom, Show Edit History. Click on that, and here are the edits that have been done within the cell. There are arrows on the top where you can see the changes that have been done. And again, you can go back to the present version. And that's how to see edit history in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.